My class ends in 11:30, to be exact 11:35 or something. It used to be 5 or 10 minutes later than the original time. So yeah, I'm just having some relaxation and listening to some vintage playlist. And this is my classmate, everybody. I'm just taking some relaxation, as I told you, and surfing the internet and checking the update news. And yeah, I'm just quite motivated, so I need to upload this. You know, this kind of like the commitment thing. So I will stop surfing the internet at 12:30 or maybe earlier 12:15. I promise. Things like the electricity cut off right now, so I'm drawing right in the dark and how my life is, but it progresses really well. So yeah, in the dark. So this is my look after straightening my hair. Actually, I don't really look good on those curly hair. My moms don't like to, so I need to change it. I can say their internet here is so bad. I can literally bear with this. I will show you.
Thank you, sir.
I'm just literally bearing that. Our connection here is like having a low budget when it got to me like 20,000, and then we can only use 3 person at the time. But we are total like 4 or 5, so we can definitely use it at the same time. And yeah, and also we have the computers we need to work with, so that's why. I really hate this weather, wet, and sometimes the sun is right and then at the same time rains come out. Like, am I in the drama? So dramatic for me. I don't want to go out. For right now, I have a stomachache, plus this wet weather killing me. This is too spicy. I can't tolerate with this. Disclaimer is this is not spaghetti, but kind of traditional food, traditional food, another ethnic of Myanmar. That's like spaghetti, right? It's so red and spice. Getting ready to go out today and literally just going to my shop, not something new, and here are my outfits. Skirt. Cool is this? So cool. I can't even get that accent. Literally having a mental breakdown that my dad and I having not very serious problems every single day, and he can get it along well with me, like, and like others, he always treat well to other people except me. Relationship with my dad couldn't stop in every single day. I do cry this moment. People can make mistakes, and he always says to learn from mistakes, and this turned to me like a more stronger violence, yelling, blaming others, and attacking other insecurities. This actually is my breakfast. Here I am. I just arrived here at around 11. It took me like 3 hours to get my recommendation letter since I'm applying for a university. I hope this works. Actually, I'm meeting with very kind and good people. Even, there's like hype bit boss. maybe like my friend. I'm really happy and appreciated to have people like them around me. Hope we can be friends for long, even though I moved to somewhere better. Yeah, he's so good. I finally got my thing. That's it. I haven't had my breakfast and my colleagues too. So we're gonna have our breakfast. I have to go to a little shop since I'm gonna get a new ring for myself with my own salary, which is very good, right? Here it is, my recommendation letter. Gaspar, I'm eating again.